Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to get Open NAT in Modern Warfare 3 port forwarding. Alright, let's begin. First, you can configure the Windows firewall. Open Command Prompt as an administrator by right-clicking and selecting Run as Administrator. Grant it the necessary administrative privileges if prompted by clicking Yes. Copy the command for TCP ports from the description box and paste it into Command Prompt. Alternatively, you can manually set up Windows firewall rules. To do this, right-click on the Start menu and choose Windows Security or search for it in the search bar. In Windows Security, click on Firewall and Network Protection, then Advanced Settings on the right. On the left, click on Inbound Rules. On the right, select New Rule, choose Port, and click Next. Select TCP and enter the specific port numbers such as 374, 375, 27015 to 27032, and 27036 to 27037. Click Next, allow the connection, and click Next again. Name the rule and click Finish. Repeat the process for UDP ports with the same port numbers. Next, configure the outbound rules similarly. Go to Outbound Rules, click on New Rule, select Port, and set up both TCP and UDP ports. Once completed, close the firewall application. The final step involves configuring your router settings. Find your router's IP address and access the router configuration page using a web browser. Log into your router using the administrator credentials and locate the option labeled Port Forwarding or Application Forwarding. Enter the same port numbers mentioned earlier. If you can choose between TCP and UDP, select the appropriate option for each port range. Save the settings and you should be ready to go. So that's basically how to get Open NAT in Modern Warfare 3 port forwarding. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.